Hello, honey bunnies. Welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Super quick tutorial today. Super quick. So, you guys know how I feel about these cupcakes. Every year I get them. Love them. Delicious. They're awesome. We're going to be decorating the little cupcakes that come in this box. Now, they normally look like this. All right. Very simple, adorable little cupcakes. They're really, really yummy. And I made these really fun embellishments. All right, like that. See that right, the little embellishment? Just to attach it to the cupcake so it can look pretty. I want to show you guys how I made them. Super quick. Okay. I have here two that I already made. What I'm using are simple and two things only. Cupcake liners and some stickers. I have these stickers that I had for ages. This is when Martha Stewart used to do craft at Michael's. That's how long ago this is, okay? It's been a very, very long time. So I have these really fun cupcake stickers that are also related to Christmas. And I thought these were really, really cute. So I'm using these as part of my embellishment. So, very simple. Take your cupcake liner, and this is the mini one. And I'm going to basically fold this in half. Okay, and then we're going to open it up and make a small little embellishment. Okay, just like that. Simple. Okay, we're going to take the sticker that I have here. I'm going to add some double-sided dimensions on it so they can lift a little bit. All right, so take your sticker, add the double-sided dimension on it, and then we're going to add some hot glue just to make sure that it doesn't go anywhere. I needed to find out a quick way to do this because I have to do a whole bunch of these really fun cupcake treats. And so this is the easiest way to create a fun embellishment, but in a fast and quick way. And that's literally all you're going to do. This is so simple. But I love the way the cupcakes look with this. Now, how I attached my cupcake embellishment to my cupcake treats, I used double-sided tape. I added some double-sided tape right here in this little corner. And I basically just took my little cupcake little embellishment and I basically just squished it, making sure that the tape adheres to the cupcake liner. And that's not going to go anywhere, as you can see there. Literally, that's all I did for all these cupcake liners. They're simple, super duper simple to make, but look how pretty they look. I love these. I had to come up with something simple because, again, I have to make about 20 of these, and a lot. I mean, 20 is a lot. So I wanted to make the embellishment very simple, quick, and easy, but very, very pretty and fun to look at. And I thought it was really pretty. And so that's what I'm going to be doing for these adorable cupcakes. All right, my loves? Super quick video, right? Okay, if you guys like to see more of these fun projects, make sure you stay tuned for the next tutorial. I love you all so much for returning to my channel. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure that you thumbs up. And if you want to see more pictures on these projects that we create together, make sure you follow me on Instagram. I have tons of pictures that I also love to post there. So make sure that you do that. Okay, my loves? Everything is going to be in the description box in the bottom. All the links are going to be there. And I will see you guys on my next tutorial. I love you all and have an awesome day. Bye!